out chasing the papers, watching for popo with my peoples, pushing the produce. Now that's the evils. I see now, cause now I get a bit of sun rays, a bit of sun for some days, cook food on Sundays, and that's the standards that I set. And the standards must be kept. I know too much, can't tell you no if you ask me, my friend. But Skye, if you ask me again, gotta be quick, stay sharp out here, cause you're dealing with sharks and get a little sunshine fast, child of the sun. Vibe with the music when it hums, which resonates to the sound of the bass and the drums. They conga rhythms that was playing in West Africa. Wanted for a poaching sips, now let it reach ya. I've been invited to a party on a boat with a man with a plan called Sam. He got mules, but he got a couple grand, so I bring a couple man, two sis. I bet you that we bill on this. And we keep singing. I'm moving, embrace the moment with the movement, study the reasons for my achievements, till my feelings will come sell them. That's what I keep on telling them. I'm ready for them, really I'm ready for anything they be selling. I'm seeing the signs, seeing that I'm now in a position to have my picture all up in the times. And I said, broadsheet, is it where the forwards be? Is it where the free be? Is it where the blind read? Wherever I be, it's very likely. I got my soldiers, they right beside me, and we don't mix up with the isms. Whatever they write is their business, just as long as the truth gets told, and as long as my truth gets sold, without diluting the fact I keep it bold. I've been invited to a party on a boat with a man with a plan called Sam. He got mules, but he got a couple grand, so I bring a couple man, two sis. I bet you that we bill on this. And we keep singing.